So imagine creating your first faceless YouTube channel hitting over 80,000 subscribers from just one single video. That's exactly what happened with my dark prayer channel, and today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can create the same type of content. And let me give you a spoiler right now, the prayer niche is one of the best and the easiest niche to hit 100,000 subscribers, 200,000 subscribers easily. Anyway, let's jump to my PC and I'm going to show you exactly a step-by-step guide on how you can do the same. So like I mentioned earlier, beside that video that got 80,000 subscribers from just one single video, I also have another video that brought another 34,000 subscribers, and this channel actually passed 100,000 subscribers while ago. So the first thing we are going to do is to open Google. So once you are there, you are going to search for ChatGPT. Okay, so once you are here on ChatGPT, we are going to build the skeleton of our video. And what do I mean by the skeleton? Basically, we are just going to give it a prompt like a command, and ChatGPT is going to do all the work for us. So all we have to do is just to come and copy, then paste into another tool, and that's just it. Don't worry, you'll see what I mean in a bit. Okay, so now let's paste this prompt right here. It's pretty long, but I'll leave it in the video description. All right, just go to description. You see maybe a link that will redirect you to the prompt, or maybe I'll just paste the prompt into the description. All right, so once we send the prompt to ChatGPT, we just wait a few seconds and voila, it built the structure of the entire video, as you can see. But you might be wondering, why do we have so many comments on the screen right here? It's very simple. As I said earlier, we are going to use this comment for creating our background videos. Okay, so each comment right here corresponds to one video. So we got the first one, the second, third, fourth, and the fifth. So we are making 5 background videos using ChatGPT, and that's just it. Okay, so now we'll use another tool to actually generate the video. So we are passing from text to video straight, not generating images. Then at the end of our prompt, you get another prompt, which is the video script. We just use this one, copy and paste into a voiceover generator to generate our voiceover. It's super easy. All right, so let's copy our first prompt. Next, we are going to open Meta AI. It's a brand new AI tool and it's absolutely insane, I'm telling you. So here it is, Meta AI. This tool is brand new and is completely free as October 21st. And honestly, it's a game changer. It might become paid in the future, I don't know, but for right now, you need to get a huge advantage while it's still free and monetize the channel fast as possible. Okay, so once you are making money already, paying for it won't even be a problem, right? So click create at the bottom where it says describe your animation. We paste our prompt right here, select a video, click animate, and boom, our background footage is being generated. Then we go back to ChatGPT, copy the second prompt, paste it again into Meta AI, and repeat the process for all the prompts to generate the 5 background clips for our viral video. And just like that, I finished generating my 5 videos, and wow, look at this quality. This is insane. AI has come so far, guys, and look at these clips. Seriously, drop a comment below and tell me what you think about it. So as we continue, next we'll pick the 5 videos we like the most and download them for our project. Okay, so I really like the second one, so click hit download and save it. Same for the next one, the third one, just click download and download all of them, and perfect, all our 5 videos are downloaded. Now let's go back to ChatGPT and copy our video script. We will use it in 11 labs. Okay, I hope you already know 11 labs is popular, right? So head to 11 labs is super simple, and open it. Go to the text to speech and paste your script right here. On the right side, you see tons of voices. Okay, maybe you like this one, maybe another one, I don't know, but personally I recommend Clyde. That's the one I use for all my videos. Okay, so once your voiceover is ready, click the download button. That's it. And one last thing to give the video a final touch, let's open Pixabay and download a background soundtrack. All right, so type in inspiration. Let's check this one. Man, this one is insane. So download the one you like and the one you found, and head over CapCut to edit and finalize the video once and for all. Alright, so here in CapCut, I've already imported my 5 videos. Alright, the background music and the voiceover. First thing first, I will add all my clips to the timeline. Next, I will place the voiceover in the timeline and start removing the silent part of the audio. You might notice that the voice track is a bit longer than the video. this is normal because 11 laps doesn't count the silent gaps. All right, so now I'll trim it. Click at the start, press Ctrl B, Ctrl B, Ctrl B, and keep going through the track. Doing this gives the video a really nice rhythm, all right, and makes it faster, which helps the viewer retention and help your video to be recommended. All right, so just by cutting the silent parts, the video already feels shorter and snappier. So next I'll add our background music. I like to lower the volume so it sits quietly in the background. I usually go with 10 to 20% volume. Okay, so that sounds just right. Now our video is practically finished. What about transition? So for example, adding a fade out transition to all our clips gives the video a smooth professional flow. All right, I'm going to keep it just like that. Next I'll go over effect and type in butterflies, and there's this really nice one, the second effect on the list, and I'll add it to the third clip, and just to give it a little extra style. Look beautiful right now. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. If you want to add extra details like transition, overlay, or anything, just go for it. Make it your own, make it feel natural, and that's it. That's the end of this amazing information, a step-by-step guide. If you like it, don't forget to like the video, hit that subscribe button, and make sure to activate the notification because it's very important. And I'll see my next video. Until then, take care to Joshua. Peace out.